Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and today I'm in Olvera Street. Olvera Street is right across the street from Union Station in downtown Los Angeles. Simply cross Alameda Street and there you will find Olvera Street. Olvera Street is the oldest part of downtown Los Angeles. And although some call it the birthplace of Los Angeles, in reality, well, it's close. It is a colorful Mexican marketplace lined with street vendors, cafes, restaurants, and gift shops. There are 27 historic buildings with a traditional Mexican-style plaza area. Tourists, celebrities, politicians, and dignitaries from all over the world wander around the marketplace, smelling the ever-present taquitos and tacos at the outdoor cafes, and listening to strolling mariachi music with dancing performances. Halfway through the street, you'll come to the public restrooms. They are clean and well-maintained. On Olvera Street, you'll find the Avia Adobe house. This is the oldest existing house in Los Angeles. Built in 1818 by Don Francisco Avia, it was last occupied briefly in 1847 as an American headquarters. Admission is free. On Olvera Street, you can tell time with a sundial and take a couple of steps and pull money out of the automated teller machine. At the end of Olvera Street, it crosses with Cesar Chavez Boulevard. It's there where you will find Cilantro Linda, which means cute baby. This place has been in business since 1934. They serve the finest Mexican food on the street. My favorite are the taquitos. It is a corn tortilla packed with beef and smothered in avocado sauce. The price is $4. Now that you've had a chance to see the street for yourself, I'd like to give you a little bit of history on how this place came to be. In 1877, the street officially got its name of Olvera in honor of the county's first judge, Augustinian Olvera, who lived on the street. Enter Christine Sterling, a wealthy, young, well-educated socialite from Northern California with a hunger for history. In 1926, when Christine Sterling discovered Olvera Street, it was ready to be bulldozed by the city. Christine campaigned for favorable press from the Los Angeles Times, and with that came investors and government agencies, including the Sheriff's Department, which provided prisoners for labor. Her dream of closing the street to automobile traffic and opening a Mexican village came to fruition on Easter Sunday, 1930. This is the oldest firehouse in the city of Los Angeles. Free tours are offered. Please check the tour office for information. Also, a few feet away, you'll find the oldest church in Los Angeles, and next to that, the Pico House. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.